Okay. Are you able to see screen now?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can see here there are some bins. You can see the mouse, right, which I am moving.
Yeah. We can see.
Okay. Now you can see, right, the bins. What is bin here now?
Those boxes.
No. You can see this is one bin. How can I tell this is one bin here? Can you see as one sticker attached here? Sticker.
Yeah.
Okay. The whole one contains one bin. If it is like a fixed
Okay.
rack, it is a fixed one. They'll assign one bin number here. If it is a fixed one, so then we can consider this as bin. If it is like a fixed one. Okay, if it is like a removable one, it's something like a something like a case or pallet. Okay, because it depends on the company, right? The case size and pallet size it will be there. Depends on the company. Okay, in that case you will choose that as a this is one bin. But now if you see this full is one bin. It is not correct. 1 minute. Okay, let me take a different one. This is exactly right. I don't have the full picture. Yeah, this is also good. Yeah, now you can see, right? What has been here now? What has been here now? Storage bin.
Those rack it whole thing.
How many bins are available here? This is one bin. This is one bin. This is one bin.
Yeah.
Got it? In
Got it.
bin, we have all these pallets. Okay? In
Bin will
each
have some
bin,
unique number, correct?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
In the warehouse, bins will be having unique number. A1, A2, sequence number, okay? A1 and A1 01, uh, 01, A1 01 02, A1 01 03, 04 05. Like that, unique number will be there, okay?
Okay.
Each bins will be having some unique numbers will be there. Okay. Now, this is called one storage type. Whole. This is called one storage type. How you are telling this is one storage type? And I am telling this is one storage type. Let me copy this one. I'm telling you this is one storage type. 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 So I'm telling you this is one storage type. This is one storage type. This is a different storage type. This is a different storage type. I'm making this number as storage types low racks. Okay, storage type for nuts and bolts. Storage type for heavy pallets. Storage type for some kind of small pallets. I'm differentiating now. This is one storage type. 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 In these storage types, we have what we have, guys, here. We have storage bins here. We have storage bins here. This storage type is for high level pallets, heavy pallets. Only heavy pallets will go to this storage type. Small nuts and bolts will come to this storage type. Some kind of screws will come to this storage type. Some kind of cases, small cases will come to this storage type. Is it making sense, guys, to make warehouse design like this, or else it is wrong? Hello.
Yes, it's understandable, Ram. Now,
Yes. Okay. So you have one more thing that is called storage sections also there. What is storage section, guys? Here, one more thing. What is storage section?
The partition in the storage type.
The partition in the storage type. General example I'm telling. If you go to Reliance Trends, you'll ask, sir, where is the clothing? Apparels and clothing, where is the clothing? Where you can buy that? He will tell that go to second floor. Go to second floor. You'll go to second floor and you'll ask like, I went to clothing floor. Now where is the men's? Where is the men's clothing and where the women's clothing? And you'll go to, so this section is men's, this section is ladies. You getting the point? In one floor, you are dividing the sections here. The same like that in the storage type. Storage section is not mandatory, guys. First of all, in the warehouse, storage section is not mandatory, but concept wise, I'm telling you, if you are dividing, if you are segregating similar products in the same storage type into two different sections. Suppose I'm taking this storage type example. So screws and bolts almost similar, guys. Screws and bolts almost like small products. I can tell that small products which can be used for same kind of activities. It doesn't mean that I need to mix them both, right? In one box, if you take, I cannot mix both, right? The screws and bolts, I cannot mix both in one, this one. What I should do? I'm telling the system that this section is for screws. This section is for bolts. I'm dividing my storage type into two different sections. This I need to use for only for screw. This I need to use for only for the nuts and bolts. This one like that. Screws and this one bolts. So I'm dividing. But is it mandatory? Not required, not mandatory. But there are some companies out there, they want mandatory kind of things. Exactly, you need to follow the process. Okay. Is it clear now in this one? It means that there are a lot of different kind of bins available. And if you go to any company, if they ask you to create storage types, first of all, you need to ask, sir, why you need a different warehouse type? What difference it is making? From see, now you have different this warehouse, this storage type you have in the warehouse. User came to you and he's telling that he want to create one more storage type. You want to create one more storage type and you're asking him why you want different storage type. So you are telling that I want different storage type because here I am storing only the heavy pallets. I am receiving the small cases also. Small pallets also I am receiving. Not only these heavy pallets, small cases I am receiving. Now you should tell that okay, small cases you are receiving. Where exactly you are storing those cases? He's telling that I am storing it here. Okay, let me create one more storage type for this activity. So that whenever you receive some kind of small cases from vendor, it will go to only the storage type. And whenever you receive heavy pallets, it will go to only the storage type automatically. Whenever you receive some kind of screws, it will go to here. Whenever you receive some kind of bolts, it will go to here. Got it? Every product is having some destination in the storage type where system identifies the destination and it will help you to, and it will help the product to go to the respective destination place. Am I clear? Am I clear, guys?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's clear.
Yes,
Sir.
understood. So basically, storage type, section, and bin. This is the
Yes.
hierarchy. Am I correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have less time
Sir.
and we are taking more explanation.
Hello, Ram sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Sir, based upon the like product, automatically system will pick the destination.
Based on the product, based on the not only product, based on the product packing which you are receiving, based on the product as well as the, see, you are telling based on the product. Okay, the product is in single, the product, let's take water bottle. This product you are receiving. Okay, if this product you are receiving, this product can be stored where? Can you tell me here? This product can be stored where in the respective storage types? Just don't think about heavy pallets, small pallets. Just take the sizes. Just take consider into sizes only and tell me that this product can be stored in where?
And the second one, yellow one side.
This one?
Yes.
This one or this one?
Fourth one.
Oh, this one here you're telling, huh?
Yes. Second one or
I
fourth one?
second, yeah, this one I can store it here, no? Easily I can store it here, right?
Yes.
Now let's bring water bottle in case. Can you please tell me now where I can store this water bottle in case?
I get it stuck, sir.
It?
Image.
Oh, image was stuck. Okay.
Yes.
I'm showing you the PPT now.
Yes, it is visible. The Google
Okay.
image was stuck, I guess.
Okay. Now the Google image, whatever I'm showing it here, okay, that needs to be stored in where?
The third one.
Third
The
one, this
package
one.
packed one. Talking about the
Uh,
packed one.
See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now the
Yes.
packed one can be stored in where? Which location? Which storage type?
It could be fourth or third one based
It can
upon
be
the
fourth,
area.
not third. It can be
Yes.
fourth. See,
Okay.
it can be suitable easily on the fourth. Okay.
Okay.
Now, water bottle in pallet, you'll see. Now, tell me this one. This can be stored where? Full pallet.
It is in third.
It is in third. Now you have the answer right. If you're
Yes,
receiving the
yes.
single piece, it will go here. If you're receiving in case, it will go here. If you're receiving in full pallets, it will go here.
So his question, like by seeing the image, we can say, okay, it is getting here. But I think his
Mhm.
question is how system will
Mhm.
understand ki which product will go to which place.
That's what I'm telling. When you go to the system, each product is having port specifications will be there. I mean to say conversions. Okay, one piece if you're receiving, one piece if you're receiving, systems know that you are receiving only one piece. Based on that one piece, system is understanding that one piece can be accommodated in which storage type. One piece can be accommodated in the which storage type. Okay, now system knows that the one piece can be stored in the this one because storage types knows, okay, what is the maximum we can keep. Now if you're receiving the pallet case, case is having 10 pieces. Now in the storage types, okay, maximum we can store up to 12 pieces. One case can contain 12 pieces. You can store 12 pieces in this respective storage type. Now once the products came from the vendor, system knows that you're receiving full case. Now full case can be accommodated in only this storage types. Means this storage type we define for only for cases. This storage type we define for only for pallets. This storage type we are defined for only for the individual bottles. Okay. Now if you are receiving the full case, these two storage types if you are keeping, system will tell that case is not permitted here. Pallet. Pallet is not permitted here. Pallet is not permitted here. The pallet can be permitted only in this storage type. This is the configuration. You got the point?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Now we will learn about the functionalities. Functionalities in EWM. More time, but fine, okay. Just give me some 20 minutes. I'll complete the functionalities. So I can tell you that there are some around 12 major functionalities in EWM. The first functionality is stock and bin management. Stock and bin management. What is stock and bin management here? What is stock and bin management? Just understanding the naming conventions, guys. Stock and bin management. I have bin. You know the bin, right? What is bin? Storage bin. Management. Stock and bin management. So systems knows that in one bin, how much quantity is available? If you take example of these bins, systems knows that in this one bin, how much quantity is available respective product?
One.
Generally, I'm asking. System knows right how much quantity
Yeah, system
of
knows.
product is available. System knows that. If one product got removed from here, system knows that one product got removed. And if you see here, this even this storage type also, whenever the stock comes and when they kept it in this bin, only in this bin, system knows that in this bin there is stock. In this bin there is some stock. If you're removing some kind of pallets from here, system knows that you removed pallet from here. So whenever the stock comes into the bin, whenever the stock's going out of the bin, system is telling that, okay, I'm identifying that, okay, stock got removed, stock got placed, means what? The bin is getting managed by the system. The stock is getting managed by the system. System is telling that this bin is free. System is telling that this bin is free. Go and place the stock in this bin. This bin is full. System is telling that this bin is full. You cannot place more quantity in this bin. You need to place only in this bin. System is identifying the stock. System is identifying the bin. That is called stock and bin management. System will not allow to place extra stock here. This maximum capacity is only 10 kg. We are defining for this bin, maximum capacity is 10 kg. If you're keeping extra 1 kg also, system will tell that this bin capacity is only 10 kg. You cannot keep stock here. You need to keep stock in the next empty bin. That is called what? Stock and bin management. Okay. Now one more thing. Small technologies. I will all these things will come into configuration again. All these things we'll discuss again. But just to understand technologies, I'm telling now. Storage unit management. Storage unit management. What is storage unit management here? Storage unit management. I can keep. I will take example as I told you. One water bottle. One water bottle. Water bottle can be stored in how many ways? Water bottles. Okay, water bottles can be stored in how many ways? How many ways of water bottles we are receiving to the warehouse? How many ways of water bottles we are receiving in the warehouse means what, guys? Are we receiving in single water bottles? Are you receiving in cases? Are you receiving in the pallets? How we are receiving? Generally, everything is available, guys. In the major companies, if you go, they will allow. Don't take example of only water bottle. Example, take as heavy machines. Okay, heavy machines or any kind of heavy things. Okay, we can receive in single, we can receive in cases, and we can receive in the pallets also. Okay, these three are the major things. Okay, based on these three things, system should identify which bin it should accommodate. If you are receiving from vendor only one piece, then it will go to different storage type and different bin. If you are receiving the product in cases, it should go to different storage type. If you are receiving in pallets, it should go to different storage type. That is called storage unit management, based on the unit of conversion, based on the product unit of conversion. If you go to MM03 in the metal master, you can see the conversion of the material. Okay, one pallet is equal to how many pieces, one case is equal to how many pieces. This is called unit. Okay, unit of measure, conversion. Okay, so this is called storage unit management, based on the unit of measure for the respective product which you are receiving. It can be single, cases, or pallets. Depends on that, system should identify the respective destination bin, and system should propose the respective correct bin. Okay, and Next thing is like,
Hello, Ram. I have one question here.
yes.
In the storage unit management, you said that the products are in three different loose products and as well as in the packaging material. Assume I have 26 water bottles, and my business is asking me to just go through the packaging material. So in each package, I will add 12 water bottles. In one packaging, 12. Okay. One case, 12 water bottles. Second case, 12 water bottles. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So another two will be extra. So how the system will identify that the extra two loose products will go to the separate bin?
When you are
Because
receiving
I
into
have 26
EWM,
water bottles.
when you are receiving into EWM, always you need to scan it, right? You cannot simply receive into the EWM. Wherever you want to place, you cannot place, right? You need to scan each and every label, right? If you're receiving a case, you need to scan the case label. Case label means what, guys?
Okay.
See,
Okay.
if you're receiving a case, you need to scan the case label. Can you see? This is a case label.
Yeah.
If you're receiving a pallet, full pallet, if you're receiving, you need to scan the pallet label.
Pallet.
This is the pallet label. If you're receiving a single product, okay, you need to scan the product label. Can you see? Each and every product, there will be labels will be there. You need to scan the product label, right? Barcode.
Yeah.
Can you see? Product label you need to scan, right? So based on the label which you are scanning, system identifies that what exactly you're receiving. Are you receiving cases? Are you receiving pallets? Are you receiving single piece? So the system identifies, right?
Okay, but this whatever the barcode you are explaining, it is the details of the product, right? I mean, not related to the packaging.
No. It contains always label contains details of product quantity and also respect to packing. I mean to say, like,
If
it
you scan any
contains
barcode
12
on each
pieces.
product,
Sorry. Repeat again.
No, go ahead, please. Yeah, go ahead, please.
See, always the label contains multiple things. Label contains multiple things here. Not only the product, it contains how much of quantity you are receiving, and what is the product you are receiving, and what is the expiry date of the product. 4 to 5 informations contains the label. Not only one information, it contains 4 to 5 informations actually, and that will be defined when you are defining the labels actually. How much of data you need to trigger, how much of data you need to trigger from this label. It always defined in the label actually. Okay, getting the point?
Yes, Ram, I got it. Thank you. Yeah, got
And
it.
next thing is like placement and removal strategies. What is placement and removal strategies? Once you receive the product from the vendor, where exactly you need to place the stock? If you're receiving a sales order, from where exactly you need to pick the stock? That is called placement and removal strategies. I already explained you maybe in this class only. How do you put away into the respective bin? Now only I explained. How do you remove the product based on the shelf life? You remove the product. So system identifies by placement and removal strategies. Placement and removal strategies. Replenishment. Replenishment. What is replenishment? If you go to supermarket, if you go to big bazaar or more supermarket, every time you can see out of when you go out supermarket outside. In India we can see, but here very rarely. In the supermarket outside you can see some kind of fast selling goods they'll maintain outside. If you remember the fast selling goods, if you see here, this netto is there here. Netto is a where you can find all kind of vegetables, all kind of things in the inside of this one. But you can see outside also they maintain. Why they maintain outside, guys? Here, these products they maintain outside also. Why they maintain outside here?
So these products will purchase by customers frequently. So it is fast moving items.
It's a fast selling
It will
goods.
be
In
easy
India
for
also you can
access.
see majorly, guys. If you go to more anywhere, if you go, some stocks will be placed outside, depends on the space availability. That is called fast selling goods. You can see watermelons, you can see some kind of cool drinks, you can see the fast selling goods. Means what? By seeing that only people will buy it. Okay, so all these things. Now suppose in this case they maintain some things outside. In this, if you see here, this is having some kind of low stock. This is having this, just consider this as bin. Okay, this bin is having some only one product in this bin. Now what I can do, guys? Replenishment. Whenever the stock is below the expected quantity, always system will propose that stock should be moved from inside to outside. Replenishment bin. Stock should be moved to this bin. Got the point? Are you clear, guys? We are maintaining some kind of limits. If it is below the limit, system will propose that stock is less. You need to move the stock from respective bin to this bin. You need to fill this stock. Very easy part. That is called replenishments. Like that, there are a lot of products will be there. Okay, that products generally whenever the stock is below the requirement, below the benchmark, obviously what will happen? System will create one more warehouse task to move the stock from inside to outside just to fill these stocks. That is called replenishment.
Sir,
Okay.
it is kind of like a reorder point which we are using in MRP side.
Exactly, exactly. But MRP side now it will consider in respect to warehouse. Okay, in the warehouse, when the stock is less, at the time system will create a purchase requisition. Based on that purchase order, you'll get the stock from the vendor, right? But this is not the purchase requisition type. This is like move the stock from inside to outside, replenishment.
Okay, internal movements.
Internally to move from that area to this area.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
got it.
And you can see pick logic. Pick logic, as I told you already, it will be defined on it will be defined on the first in first out or else last in first out. Okay, LIFO, last in first out, FIFO or LIFO, based on the expiry. Some goods will be when the system when you receive the products, immediately it will go to the customer. Some products will go on based on the expiry date of the material. It depends on the company, guys. FIFO or LIFO depends on the company. This pick logic will work. Okay. Any question, guys?
No, Ram.
Guys, when you
Yeah,
don't have any
it's
question,
clear.
just tell me. Okay, I was waiting for the question. Next thing is like ad management. I'll show you what is ad management and all. Okay, this one will take some time, maybe 10-20 minutes. But before that, I will tell you what is ad management. Guys, ad management is generally outside of the warehouse. Let me show you outside of the warehouse how it looks. If you observe carefully here, outside of the warehouse, if you see, so in this warehouse, all these activities will be going on. Whatever we are discussing from yesterday, all these activities will be going on inside of the warehouse. And what is outside of the warehouse? If you can see here, guys, what is happening here? What is happening here? And before that, there will be one more thing here will be there here. Gate, check-in gate will be there. While entering into the warehouse, there will be some check-in gate will be there. Okay, that is called checkpoint. Checkpoint. Okay, means whenever the vehicle is coming inside of the warehouse and whenever the vehicle is going outside of the warehouse, checkpoint. Okay, checkpoint will they will note the entry and exit times, exit dates, exit times. They'll make an entry. Okay, this vehicle came today at this time. This vehicle went outside this time. So that is called checkpoint. Okay, and if you see here, guys, all these things are like parking space. Can you see here? This is the parking space where they will park the vehicles.